मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Be careful, Babuji.
Hey, Shahrukh Khan, you handle yours.
No, I won't drink it. Babu dear, you have to drink the milk. Please wait. No, Mom.
Hey, Jetya, catch him. Hey, caught him.
Here you go, Bapuji. What is this, Bapuji? He ran away again, huh?
Caught him.
No.
Here, take this, Jetya.
Babuji. Yeah.
Hey, why are you drinking milk? Tapu just ran away.
Hi.
I got him.
Hey, Tapula, drinking milk gives you strength.
Gogi, you? And Sonu, you? Both of you? Unbelievable. Today again the entire Tapu Sena was forced to drink milk.
Yuck! We don't like drinking milk at all.
Then why do our parents force us to drink milk?
Because milk comes to the house, that's why. Idea! From tomorrow, no milk will come to our homes.
Impossible, Tapu.
Don't underestimate Tapu.
Yay, Tapu Sena!
Gives me milk, my Buffy, and with a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk with a dark face and red hair. Where did the lion's roar come from?
Go, my dear lime, go.
Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! What is this? Oh, it's just a dog.
Babuji, today also we have to make Tapu Sena drink milk somehow.
Yes, Jetya.
Oh, he's coming.
Attention! Tapu is ready! I will drink milk, drink milk! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mommy! Give me milk!
Tapu, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Papa, I'm perfectly fine. What happened? Huh?
Because today you are asking for the milk to drink by yourself, son.
Grandpa says that drinking milk gives you strength.
Jaya, bring the milk.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey.
Here it is. The milk. Huh?
Here, give it quickly.
Oh, the milk hasn't come today.
What? Then what is there in the glass?
It's empty.
Ah, I'm saved.
Huh? Then why are you roaming around with an empty glass?
Tappu's father, if you don't see the empty glass, how will you know that the milk hasn't arrived today?
Oh.
Mom, I really felt like drinking milk today. The milk didn't come today. Let's go play. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Buffy gives me milk, a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk. Huh?
Friends, today our wolf will scare away Uncle Bunsy. Huh?
Huh? Moti! Hey, Moti, my son!
Our plan had failed. Uncle Bunsy turned out to be very smart.
Hey! Hey!
He brought a dog even bigger than our dog.
La 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 la. Moti! Hey, Moti!
This plan of ours has failed, Tappu. We will have to drink milk again today.
To solve the problem, we must go to the root of the problem. Let's go to Uncle Bunsy's stable.
Hey, dear! I love Buffy more than my own children. You also take good care of her, understand? I will return from the village by tomorrow evening, okay?
You go without worry, master. I will take good care of her. Ah.
Did you hear that? Uncle Bunsy is going to the village.
Tomorrow we will kidnap Buffy and take her away.
Yes, if the bamboo's gone, the flute can't play.
What does that mean, Sonu?
It means no buffalo, so no milk.
Yes.
Bathe Buffy every day and don't tie her up. Buffy doesn't like to be tied up.
She's a strange buffalo.
And yes, never call Buffy a buffalo or she will get annoyed.
You should have told me
This first, master.
Oh my goodness, I won't spare you. I am telling you. My name is Harya. Harya. Did you hear me or not, you buffalo? Oh no, she's chasing me.
Huh?
Buffy. Dear Buffy. Oh, how lovely you are. Now the fun will begin. You are throwing me around a lot, huh? Now try throwing me, you black buffalo. Huh? Say Buffy. Don't say buffalo. If I don't call a buffalo, what else should I call it, huh?
Oh no, he tied Buffy up. Kapu, now how will we kidnap Buffy?
Now I will neither bathe you, nor I will give you anything to eat. And I will not untie you also. Just stay tied up here, hungry and thirsty, you damn buffalo.
Friends, we shouldn't kidnap Buffy. We should help her. Yes, but Harya will catch us. Oh, don't underestimate Tappu. Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, all the milk is spilled. Whoa, what do I do now? What happened? How did my milk spill? Oh no. Huh?
Hey, how did she get free? Kids, where did these kids come from?
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Huh?
Hey, somebody help me! Hey, thank you, Buffy.
You killed me. First, let me tie up this buffalo very nicely. Then I'll teach you all a proper lesson. You devilish kids! Huh? Oh my God, she threw me down again. Today I will not spare you, you buffalo.
Hey, look there! Harya is running after Buffy to beat her up.
Come on, let's run away from here.
No, friends. We have to save Buffy. Let's go. No.
Help!
Stop! You can't hit Buffy.
Huh? After Buffy, it's your turn now. You devilish kids. No!
Take this.
Come on, get out of here.
Hey, Gogi, what are you doing? Let's go.
Oh man, it's so hot today.
Yes, Tappu. Buffy must be feeling very hot too. I hope she doesn't get sick.
We should give Buffy a bath.
But how will we bring so much of water?
We can't bring the water here, but we can take Buffy to the water, right?
Hey,
Yes.
that's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh no, sorry sir.
Hey, sir, did Buffy go out here?
Yes, but it's been a while since she has went out.
How long?
About 5-6 hours.
What? 5-6 hours?
But Buffy left the stable 2 hours ago.
Here it has been gone for 5-6 hours. The heat has made things terrible.
Exactly which Buffy are you talking about? I am talking about Bansi Kaka's Buffy.
Buffy is Buffy. What's the difference between its Bansi Kakas or Vilchu Kakas? Look, the electricity doesn't come, but how high the bill is.
Here I'm talking about Buffy. I
Eh?
am talking about the buffalo named Buffy.
No, Buffy, stop! Stop!
have you seen any buffalo passing by here?
I haven't seen a buffalo leaving, but I have definitely seen a buffalo coming.
Meaning?
Oh, Buffy! Wait. First, let me check if there are any guards around. The moment you see anyone coming, just let me know. Yeah! Yeah!
Tappu, you guards are coming this way.
Oh no! Hey Buffy, come on, hurry up! Come on!
Quickly hit this buffalo with sticks and shoo it away.
Hey Tappu!
Wipe up properly. Buffy might catch a cold.
So the buffalo is tied up, and here goes her fans. Where are you running? Oh, Master, these mischievous children have kidnapped Buffy.
Don't you lie, Harya. I have heard everything. You have troubled my Buffy a lot, understood? I know these children have saved my Buffy's life.
Well done, Tapu Sena.
You have all done a wonderful job, kids.
Harya, I will not spare you.
Stay away, Master, or else I won't spare you either.
This buffalo, with the help of these kids,
Have beaten me badly. I won't spare them.
chutney out of you.
No, Sodi uncle. This is our fight. This is a matter of Tapu Sena's honor.
Huh?
Yes, you can do this, kids.
What's this? They are all defeated in one go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Hey, haven't you had milk, huh?
Yay!
Eh? Huh?
Uncle, don't underestimate Tappu Sena.
Forgive me, please forgive me. I.
I have made a mistake, kids.
Did you see, Tapuda, how much power milk has, huh?
Yes, Grandpa. The entire Tappu Sena will drink milk every day.
Yes, Grandpa.
Promise.
Move from here, kid, yeah?
Watch closely.
Where?
Hey, it's me. Today I have one good news and one bad news. So which news you will like to hear first?
You'll be telling the bad news first anyways.
Then listen. The bad news is that two thieves named Chanku and Manku are roaming in your area. The two thieves.
Huh?
Yes, you heard right. Two notorious thieves are roaming around in your area. So be careful. A moment's carelessness can lead it to disaster.
And what is the good news?
Tonight from 8 to 10 p.m., the power in your area will be cut. But the meter will be running.
How is that a good news?
For the thieves, this is the good news, isn't it, Uncle? And now I'll take your leave. Bye-bye, audios with cameraman Glance. This is your reporter, Sanata. Bad news until tonight.
Yay! It's going to be fun. We will play a lot. Yay!
Sannata did say that the power would go out tonight.
Yes, brother. That's why we had dinner very early today.
Oh God, there are so many mosquitoes here.
Here, the power is out.
And Tappu 6-2.
Hey. Oh, what, Dad? You are still killing mosquitoes only?
Hey, Jeshalal, wait, I'll take it out.
Hey, Tapu, does anyone play with a ball in the dark?
Then what should we play, Dad?
Hey, in our time when the lights went out, we used to play cops and robbers. And we used to play police and thief.
Very good idea, Uncle Bhide. Dad, Grandpa, Uncle Popat, Uncle Hathi, come on. Let's all play cops and robbers together.
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go. Now, who should the police be afraid of?
I mean,
I will be the policeman, right?
no, I will be the policeman.
No, I will be the policeman.
Hey man, I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will be the policeman.
I will.
I will be.
I will.
You all be the robbers and we, the kids party, will be the cops and catch you.
Yes. And that too red-handed.
Even the police of 11 countries haven't been able to catch us till today.
Why couldn't they catch you?
Yeah, because we haven't done anything wrong till today, brother.
Yeah. Dad, we will count to 10. You all go hide by then. And yes, uncle, you are not allowed to go outside the society.
Okay, start the count. But you have to count till 10. No cheating.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, no, not yet.
5, 6. Should we come?
Not yet.
9, 10. Here we come. Huh? Let's go, partners. Ready?
Yes!
Come quietly. Hey, idiot, hide yourself. Up.
Okay.
We play hide and seek with people. Today we will commit our third theft here.
Oh, my bag is still half empty. Only after filling it will mission lights out be complete.
Mango, look over there. How the entire society is plunged into darkness to welcome us.
Oh, but the people standing to welcome us are nowhere to be seen, Changu. Hey! Hello! Where are you people?
Oh, you dumb wit. At least light up your brains bulb sometimes.
But where is the light?
Listen very carefully, my son. We are not here for feast, but to steal,
Oh, so does this mean our feast is ruined?
Now how do I explain this to him? Do one thing, my son. Just follow me, just.
Okay, I understood. Follow me.
Inspector Gogi and Inspector Goli.
Yes, sir.
We have received a tip that some clever thieves have entered our society. And we have to catch them no matter what.
Look, the people have also come to welcome us.
Listen, you fatty kid. If these people welcome us, it will be difficult to even walk away from here.
Do these people feed so much?
Sure, they do feed, but only kicks and punches. Quickly find a safe place and hide.
Hide?
They are there. Get them.
Hey, don't run, kids. You will get hurt.
Yes, Grandpa. Where did that voice come from? The voice came from there. Let's go there and see. And Inspector Gogi and Goli, you two go check upstairs.
Yes, sir.
Aren't Uncle Hathi and Uncle Popatlal hiding a little backwards? Not a little. They are hiding completely backwards. Inspector Sonu, arrest them. Oh, thieves, thieves! Catch them, thieves!
are you?
Hey, I am thief. A thief.
I understand. Aren't you that big fatty kid, Mango?
Yes. I am the one, the same. Wow, even the thieves know me now. Hearing this, Changu will be very happy and will praise me.
Hey, I am Changu, and neither I will be happy nor I will give you praise.
Why, Changu?
Because we are playing hide and seek with people when we will commit the third robbery here.
Hey, my sack isn't yet full. Let's hope our mission lights out doesn't remain incomplete.
Come on, get to work.
Oh, wow, a toothbrush. I'll take it. It's been long time since I brushed my teeth. I'll take the paste too.
Stop there! I know you guys are hiding in here. Come on, raise your hands and come out quickly.
And now there's no point in hiding behind the curtains. Come out. We have been caught.
What happened to you, Uncle? Did you fall into flood or what?
Why are you laughing? Huh?
Has this police officer shrunk or have we gone bigger? Hey, turn off the torch, little police. It must be shining in Changu's eyes.
Who are you people?
Changu Mangu. This is Changu and I am Mangu.
Huh? Hey.
The bad news is that two thieves named Changu and Mangu are roaming in your area.
I got it. You guys are the real thieves. Uncle Sanata told about you on TV this morning.
Oh, wow. Your memory is very sharp, kid.
My voice is also very sharp, Uncle. Thief! Thief!
Changu, he snatched our sack. It had all the goods from the previous thefts also.
Hey, stop crying and catch him.
Come on, Uncle, come on. Sometimes Tappu's after the thieves, sometimes the thieves after Tappu. Too much fun. Dad! Oh, Uncle Hathi! Everyone come outside! Thieves have entered the society!
Yeah, Dad, yeah, come out quickly. Thieves are in the society. What is this, Dad? You also fell for Tappu's words. Hey, this is his trick to catch us.
Sonu, look!
Hey, where did these kids go after tricking us? Let's go find them. This time, let's take the back route.
Come on, Uncle! We were waiting for you at the back as well.
Look, is this the rope? Come on, let's climb up with this.
Inspector Gogi, jump! Inspector Goli, jump!
Just get out of it and ask, how do we snatch the bundle back and complete mission lights out? Let's go!
Our bundle!
You want it? Then come and get it!
Let's go! Oh, wow, what is this smell? Let's eat first.
What are you doing? Perfume, wow! Mango, this time with full caution, okay?
Okay, Changu.
Come on, Tapu Sena, next plan!
Changu, save me, save me!
I am behind you. How can I serve you?
King, charge! And some of
It was useless coming here.
Oh, these kids have looted our treasure.
Huh? This mosquito is still biting, Dad?
This is cheating, Jetalal. Now we will never play with these kids again.
Oh man, we have been hiding here for so long. But no one came looking for us.
What? Tapu! Hey kids, who are you all playing cops and robbers with? We are all hiding over here.
with real thieves, Dad.
Are there real thieves upstairs?
Oh, they will clean out my entire house. What to do now? How do we catch them?
Don't worry about this, Uncle. Tapu's police force has not only caught them, but also recovered all the stolen goods.
Eh?
Take a look at this. And this too.
Look closely.
Was it?
Not me, but these brave kids.
Hi.
Because of whose bravery, 2 cunning thieves have been caught. Cameraman,
With a glance, tell them that ruined their